Here is the Toyota Corolla. Before we get started though, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory. Those are the fog light bulbs. I'm just going to show you the process on the left side one. You've got to go underneath the car, so put a mat or something on the floor, and these are the tools you need: a 10mm wrench or 10mm socket and a flathead screwdriver. That's it. That's all we need for this job. Get the 10mm socket ratchet or the wrench, and first take this 10mm bolt off, get it out and keep it somewhere safe, and then the second one, which is in the front. Now my bumper is slightly broken, but you get the idea where the bolt is located. Then now let's get the flathead screwdriver and the clip, which is right there. Get the middle part of the clip out with the screwdriver. Just get it out like halfway through, and then we can pry it out the rest of the way with just your hands and get the entire clip out. At this point you can peel this cover back. That's the light. I can pull the cover back. I can get my hand in there. Now once you're inside, that's the bulb holder right there. And now you can't just twist this left right now because that plastic piece is holding it in place. So what we have to do is get that connector off. We gotta press right in the middle there and then slide the connector off the bulb. So if you're lucky, your connector is gonna be flexible and you'll be able to press it down with just your fingers and get the connector off the bulb. If that doesn't work, get a flathead screwdriver and use that to press down on the connector there. Either way works. You just gotta press down right there in the middle and then get the connector off. And I just wanted to show you that the screwdriver method does work. As you can see, it's off. However, you get this connector off. Now we just have to grab the bulb and twist it left, and then the bulb comes right out. The bulb size is right there on it, H16. That's what you need to get the new H16 bulb, and let's put it back in. And when you put it back in, you may have to do some twisting and turning before the bulb actually drops in properly. See, right now it's not, and now after I do some twisting and turning, at this point it does. And then all I have to do is just twist it right to lock it in place. Get the electrical connector, slide it on. It only goes on in one way like this, and then push it to click it in place. That is looking good. Now let's put this plastic cover back in its position. Get that one screw in there. Just hand tighten it a couple turns for now. Let's get the plastic clip and make sure this middle part of the clip is pulled out all the way like this. Only then will you be able to put the clip in, otherwise it won't go in. So make sure the middle part is pulled out all the way. Align those two holes, put the clips right through it, and then push the middle part in, and it's secured. Let's get the final bolt on and hand tighten that. And now let's just go ahead and tighten that down with a 10mm wrench or the socket ratchet combination. Repeat the process for the other bolt, and that is pretty much it. Hope you found the video useful.